Performance and practicality don't have to be mutually exclusive. With our AIM SL Allroad, we took all the good things about our range topping, affordable aluminium hardtail and added mudguards, a luggage carrier, cube kickstand and an integrated lighting system for added versatility. Beautifully designed mounting points mean that these practical, essential accessories blend almost seamlessly into the frame's svelte looks, making it as well suited to the urban jungle as it is to forest trails. Agile ride geometry and our proprietary aluminium light frame create a bike whose handling is every bit as good as it looks, and with the reassurance of having passed all our stringent in-house safety testing. The Shimano 27-speed gear system offers a huge range of gears and slick, precise shifting with absolutely minimal maintenance, thanks to our neat internal cable routing.